Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am back with another pick a card reading today. So today we are going to see what is your person's current energy for you. So is a quick weekly energy checkup reading. So we have three piles over here. This is pile 1, pile 2 and this is pile 3. So just select your pile. I'll show you in this view. So whichever pile is attracting you the most, you can just go for that. And if you're getting attracted to more than one pile, you can hear more than one pile as well. And if you need more time, you can just pause the video and you can just meditate on the card and then select one of the pile. And thank you so much guys for your love and support, for your subscription, for your likes, for your comment, for everything, for personal reading which I'm getting for you guys. Thank you so much for showing trust on me, for your donations. Thank you so much guys. Just keep me motivated, just encourage me so I can bring a lot of more videos for you, and just and it will help me to grow my channel as well, and I can also share my guidance with you and my talent with you and help you some way. And if you like my reading, please follow me on my Insta account, that is Sun Tarot 444. So I think that's it for the announcement. We'll start the reading. We'll go with pile 1. So pile 1, let's see what's your person current energy for you. And in the background you might see my cat is sleeping over there, so her eyes are sparkling, don't get scared. And I will also use my Moonology deck, so we can end of the reading, we'll see whether this person is planning to take any action or not. So first we'll see how this person's energy towards you this week. So at this moment, what I can see, this person is definitely keeping an eye on you. This person is maybe checking your social media page, or if you have any mutual friend, maybe this person is asking about you from them, because we have a page of swords here. And guys, this is not gender specific, it's for both male and female, and it's a timeless reading as well. So yeah, we have the page of swords here. So that talks about stalking someone's social media or stalking someone. So maybe at this moment this person has a lot of interest to check what exactly you are doing, like how maybe you are dating someone else or not, and what exactly you're going through right now. So I can see some sort of stalking energy from this person at this time. And at the same time, page of swords sometimes also talks about getting some sort of clarity. So I think with that time, this person is getting some sort of clarity about you and this connection as well. And at this moment, honestly speaking guys, I can see a very young energy. I cannot see because page is a very young energy. This person is not yet that has been reached to that maturity level. So this person is growing day by day. I think this person is going through some sort of transformation at this moment, and still this person is in this young, cheerful, playful energy. Then we have two of wands over here. So right now this person is definitely in some sort of crossroad. This person has not made his mind about to. So guys, if I'm saying he's, just take it like if you are male watching for some female, just take it like whatever gender you prefer. So this person definitely is in a crossroad right now, where he is or she is yet to make a decision, because I told you that this person is still in a very young energy, playful energy, just in this like he's talking and checking what exactly you're doing, and not planning anything serious at this moment, because some sort of confusion is still there in this person's mind. I think this person has a lot of other choices as well, honestly speaking. I think some sort of third party involvement is there, because we have adjacent possibilities. So guys, don't get triggered if I'm if I'm telling that third party is involved. It can be this person's job, it can be this person's friend, it can be family as well. Maybe at this moment this person is dealing with a lot of other things as well. Maybe he's trying to keep his finance or career in balance, or maybe some sort of family issues are going, so he's trying to balance that as well. And maybe during this quarantine period, he's worried about his job, his money, maybe family. Something is definitely going in his mind, so it's is not every time that third party means he's dating someone else, but yeah, for some people I can see that maybe this person has other choices as well. Maybe this is a kind of person who is a little bit playful, flirty kind of person. Maybe he has wandering eyes, so still he want to explore his option, or she want to explore her option, because I think this person want to choose the best for himself or herself. Or maybe at this moment this person don't want to commit to someone, or don't want to settle down in his life and go for a committed relationship. So right now he just want to have fun and just maybe concentrate on other like aspect of life. Maybe just he want to put more focus on his career and just be in this casual relationships at this time. So that's what I'm getting for some of you. And yeah, for some of you I can say this person might be going through some other issues in his life, and that is the reason he is not able to make a decision at this moment regarding you and this connection. Then we have the patience card. So at this time this person don't want to take any action, honestly guys. If you are expecting certain like communication or any action from this person, so I might be disappointing you at this moment, because I cannot see this person is taking any action. He is just waiting for the right time to take a right decision. So he is in this patience energy where he or she wants to take more time regarding this connection. Yeah, definitely something is going in this person's mind. Maybe if you're maybe you are aware, if you're not aware, so definitely something is happening in his life, and right now he don't want to rush things and just mess everything up. So I'll just use my Moonology deck at this moment, so I can see what exactly what action he might be planning, or whether he's taking any action or not. So because through the card I cannot see anything happening this week for you, but I'll just use my deck, so if we can get some more information. So I'll just pull one or two cards. We have your commitment is being tested. Expect powerful changes. And we have the answers you need are coming. So if you are looking for an answer, so maybe you will be getting some sort of information about this person. Maybe this person will contact you, but however I'm not seeing any sort of contact from this person this week. But maybe through his social media page, or through a friend, some sort of informations you will be getting, or maybe through tarot card reading you will get some sort of information about this person, or the answers which you are looking for right now. So right now this person is definitely testing your commitment. So maybe he is taking more time to see whether you still wait for him or her or not, and whether you are serious or not. Maybe this person has trust issue, and he just don't want to rush into a relationship, and he just want to see that how much serious you are about him, whether you are ready to wait for him or not, whether you whether like after separation like instantly you are dating someone else or not. So he will test you, he will test your commitment, because that's what I'm getting from this person. First quarter moon, your commitment is being tested. So he will just like uh, he will just maybe post something about you, like not about you, indirect some sort of quotes he will post, or maybe he will just ask your friends about you, and maybe through your friends you will get the information. He directly won't do any kind of approach, but at the same time I'm also getting he will also check from other people whether you are still interested on him or not. Some sort of powerful change might happen this connection, because today like 7th of May is a new moon. So maybe during this new moon phase, and definitely some retrogrades are coming, like Pluto, Venus, so many other things, so many planetarial changes are happening. So maybe that will bring some sort of powerful change in this person, or maybe it also happen right now this person is trying to find some answers about you. Maybe he will get some sort of answer about you, and that will help him to bring some sort of powerful changes in his decision. So in case if you are not dating anyone else yet, so maybe he will get to know that you are still single, and maybe you are still waiting for him or her at this time. And that might change this person's mind. If you are in no contact since a long time, that could be one of the possibility. And one of the possibility, in case if you have already moved on from this person, you're just checking how this person is feeling about you. So maybe through your social media page, or maybe through other people, he will get to know that you have already moved on, and maybe you're dating someone else. And that might also bring certain changes in this person's mind. He might think that you have he has or she has lost you. Some sort of powerful change you can expect during this moon phase this week, what I'm getting for you. So that's what I'm getting for you, pile 1. Hopefully you have enjoyed this reading. Please let me know in the comment section. Now I will be moving to the next pile, that is pile 2. So pile 2, let's see what exactly your person feeling about you, or this person's current energy for you. And my cat is sleeping in the background and her eyes are sparkling, so don't get scared. And yeah, we'll see the energy, and it is not gender specific, it's applicable for both male and female, and it's timeless reading as well. And at the same time I will be using my Moonology deck as well, this one, so I can just see whether this person is planning to take any action this week regarding this connection or not. So let's start with the reading. So what I am getting for you, pile 2, I think did you guys have a fight recently, or you have told this person you are moving on from him or her because we have Queen of Swords next to Broken Heart. So I think you both are in separation right now, and for majority of you I can see you have moved on from this person. I can see the feminine energy has moved on from this connection, because I think the feminine energy in this connection, the female, she is guys, even if you are a male watching this video, even you can carry the feminine energy, because we have both feminine and masculine energy in us. So it's depend, like if you feel that you are in this energy, so just take it what resonate with you. So the feminine energy is someone who is more mature in this connection, but I can see, because we have the owl over here, and she is definitely Queen of Swords. She is very thoughtful, she is very mature, she is very logical at the same time. I can see this person was not giving time to you, especially I can see this person was in some sort of silent mode, very secretive. The High Priestess is there, so this person was not telling his or her feeling to you properly, or maybe I can see a cold behavior from this person as well. And that's the reason maybe you had decided that you want to move away from this person, or maybe you had a conflict with this person, you have maybe blasted this person, maybe you have just told him or her that how you are feeling, how upset you are, how, because he is not giving time to, or she is not giving time to you. And this person is feeling very heartbroken about it, because you have moved on. Maybe when you were in this person's life, when this person was not giving time to you, he was in this secretive, mysterious energy, where he was not revealing everything to you, not telling how he's feeling, or not telling how she is feeling about you. And now when you have moved on from this person is feeling heartbroken. He is just feeling that everything has ended, this connection has ended, he has lost you. I think this person might have cried for you as well, because if you see that this heart is crying, teardrop is there. And number 9 also talks about approaching like ending. So definitely he is feeling that yeah, things are ending between you and him. But I can see that this coming week this person still will be in this silent mood only there, because we have the high priestess. This person is getting some sort of going through some sort of spiritual awakening as well, or transformation at this moment with the high priestess. And right now I think he is or she is trying to balance his life. This person's life and or emotions are very much off balance, and this week this person is trying to be in this energy where he will be balancing whatever is happening around him or happening in his life. Maybe this person is going through some sort of issues in his life at this moment, or maybe he will be trying to balance his emotion, like whatever heartbreak he's feeling. Temperance also talk about patience. This week I think this person will be in this patience mode where he will try to just wait for the right time, because he thinks that right now things are very much off balance and this is not the right time to approach you or say anything, because maybe you are very much conflicted and very much upset with this person in this angry mode. So he is not sure whether this is the right time to approach or you not. So this person is he will be thinking that it's better for me to wait for a while, just be a little bit patient. And that's the reason he will be in this silent mode where he won't be telling you that sorry guys, he won't be telling you that how much he loves you, or he is feeling upset about the separation. So now what we'll do, we'll see whether this person is planning to take any action or not. So I'll use my Moonology deck for that. I'll just like shuffle the card and see. I'll just pull 2 cards in case if I need more information. I'll go for more than 2 cards as well. Because with the card I can see not much movement. It's more about him where he is trying or she is trying to balance himself. Still we'll see any kind of thing, any changes will be happening. Okay, a new start is coming. Nice card to get. Show the world the real you. And bottom of the deck, you are good enough. So maybe this person has some sort of self-esteem issue. Maybe he or she felt that they are not good enough for you, or maybe they are not ready for a commitment at this moment. Maybe you are someone like this person respect and admire you a lot, and somehow what I am getting the energy from this file that this person feel that they are not suitable for you, deserve more. Sorry guys, you are good enough, so they feel that you are too good for them. So I think that's the reason they will be trying to balance themselves this week, so they can just boost up their self-esteem and they can feel that even they are compatible for you. And I think this person was wearing some sort of mask where they were not showing their true self to others. This week they will try to open up themselves more and show who they are really, because show the world the real you. I think this person is someone who is very emotional from inside, but somehow they try to pretend that they are a very strong person. They don't sorry guys, I think this person feel that maybe people will take advantage of themselves if they show their real side to other people. I think even this person was not showing their real side to you. That's the reason we have the high priestess over here. I think maybe this person will show their soft side to you, and maybe they will decide it's time to tell you that how they feel about you, heartbroken they are about this separation, and I think that will bring a new start. However, I can see maybe not this week, because it's say a new start is coming. So maybe in next 2 to 3 weeks you can expect a new start from this person, or some sort of communication from this person, what I'm getting, where this person might start everything from scratch. So maybe they will tell you that they want to give this connection a chance again, and they want to mend the things, and they will show their real feelings to you as well, that I'm getting for you guys. And it's up to you end of the day, because I can see you are in this Queen of Swords energy. So it's up to you whether you are going to accept the offer which this person is thinking to offer you or not. So that's what I'm getting for you, pile 2 today. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please let me know in the comment section whether this reading has resonated with you or not. Now I will be moving to the next pile, that is pile 3. So pile 3, let's see what's your person's current energy for you this week. And it's not gender specific, it's applicable for both male and female, and it's timeless reading. So I will be also using my Moonology deck, this one, which I will shuffle on camera, and then we'll see whether this person is planning to take any action or not. So with the card, if I getting any action, definitely I will be I will be telling you guys that. In case if nothing is coming, like any sort of action, then also we'll use the Moonology deck to see what are the changes are coming in this connection. So let's start with the reading. See, I'm not mentioning any kind of sign, because what happens usually when I just mention specific zodiac sign, people get stuck to it, and sometimes it bothers them. So I'm just trying to get the energy what I'm getting from the card, because I don't think signs are really like signs will matter in this reading. So yeah, what I am getting for this person definitely know that you are their soulmate, because we have the 6 of cups here, and we have number 6, contract. So that talks about some sort of soul contract. So I think you both have some sort of soul contract, a soul bond with each other. Maybe you have certain karma which you both have to pay in this lifetime, and somehow this person is getting that clarity. I think your person might be very spiritual as well. Maybe this person know about past life karma, and soulmate connection, soul contract. So just take it what resonate. Maybe not everyone will be aware of that, but for majority I can see a very spiritual pile over here. And I can also feel that as you guys are in this separation at this moment, this person is very much disappointed about that. He is regretting. If he has messed up this connection, definitely this person has regret about that. The reason I'm getting, because suddenly I saw this card and I can see this one cup is spilled over here. So we have 5 cups over here. That talks about 5 of cups, that talks about disappointment. So I think this person is in some sort of will be in this some sort of nostalgic like in this nostalgic energy, where he will be thinking about, or she will be thinking about the past a lot, because this person, they are looking at this home, and I think that is bringing some sort of old memories back in this person's mind. So that's what I'm getting for this person this week, where he might be just, as we are in this lockdown, majority of us are in lockdown, so I think this person will have a lot of time to think about, and maybe suddenly they will start thinking about you and the old times which you have spent together. If you were in a committed relationship, so maybe he will think about the time you have went for a vacation or something like that. So old memories, he will be thinking a lot about old memories that I'm getting. And with this number 6 contract, so I think this person is very much blindfolded. He was very much blindfolded, because he was trying to find certain balance in his life. Maybe he was trying to balance his personal life and career life, and somehow he or she became so much blindfolded that he lost your connection. Because we this person is blindfolded. That's the Libra card, that the Justice card. But that's what the energy I'm getting from this person. He was trying to balance his emotions, balance his family, balance his career, do the best thing for himself. And maybe during this journey somehow he was not able to give you the time and attention which you were looking for, and that has ended this connection. Or maybe this person just went for the separation or breakup because this person felt that he deserved something better, something more. Maybe not in relationship, maybe in career, maybe in some other maybe he felt that he has so many things to achieve in his life, and right now he cannot spend time on any kind of relationship or commitment. This person is thinking about taking you out or offer you something, because we have Page of Pentacles over here, Ace of Pentacles, that talks about a new start. So I think while this person will be thinking about the good old times, he will be in this energy where he will think, okay fine, I think we should go for a new start, because the old days was so much better than this time. We are in separation and I'm still thinking about this person, so why not just give this relationship one more chance. Let's go for something stable, a new start. So maybe he will ask you for a date, because Page of Pentacles usually is a date card for me. It's like a small gesture or small offer. And because I think this person will be coming up with some sort of honest conversation as well, because we have Ace of Air, so that talks about a new start or coming up with a open-minded conversation, honest conversation. So that will be happening for you. So for majority of you, I can see that you can expect like a conversation from this person, a text from a person, or a call from this person, because I have Ace of Air that talks about communication. So I can see some sort of communication will be happening for you, and two A's are there. So that talks about a new start. I can see within a week, or maybe within next 6 days something could happen, because we have number 6 over there and we have number 1. So one day, 6 days, or 1 week it might take to get a communication from this person. Now I'll also use my Moonology deck to see more about the situation. Okay, personal issue, riches, resolution. So it's matching with the theme of this reading. I'll just pull one more, then I'll explain. And by the way, you guys have one extra card there, because other people got only one card from my Spiral Tarot deck, but you have 2 cards. A new start is coming. Even Pile 2 had this same card. Step out of your comfort zone. So maybe this week this person will think that they have to come out of their comfort zone and just take a step towards you and do something about this connection. So personal issue, which is a resolution. So I'm getting strong communication coming from this person. For some of you, maybe it will not happen in a week, it will take some more time, depends upon the situation between you guys. And this person will definitely try to resolve whatever conflict which you guys are going through right now. And for majority of you, I can see a reconciliation, where you will have a new start with this person. And if you don't want, it's up to you, but definitely this person will go for this new start with you. And I can see something is resolving. I can see things will be getting better between you and this person. So you might plan to go out with this person maybe after lockdown, not right now. And in case if you are able to meet this person somehow, you will do that, or maybe a video call will also help you guys. But I can see some sort of resolution is coming in this connection for you guys. So that's a very positive reading you guys have, Pile 3. I'm so happy for you. Hopefully you get resolved, this whatever conflict you both are going through right now get resolved very soon for you. So thank you so much for watching my video. Hopefully you guys liked it. Please let me know in the comment section. And thank you so much. Love you guys. Bye bye.